Hey guys, it's me, Connor Klein. So today we're going to talk about locking your sliding door so somebody can't break in. Here we go. All right guys, so typically, you've just got this little janky lock here, and all that's keeping you safe from thieves and crackheads, you name it. Anyways, this little guy here locks onto this. Okay, somebody could easily come up here, yank on it, break that open. So a lot of people will take a board, cut it to length, set it here. Well, I'm lazy. I don't like bending over. I'm sure you don't like bending over unless you're I hope that's funny. Anyways, so I found this at Menards. I'm gonna try and find the link to it and post it up. But that goes there, locks in place, and now, even if it's unlocked, you're not opening that, okay? So, and this thing, it slides to adjustment, so you can make it shorter, or it pulls out to go longer. Anyways, I think this latch is kind of weird, so what I plan on doing is just, I'm gonna probably drill a hole through here and bolt that together so that this thing can't move and it's always at the right length. And then one thing I added these two magnets because it'll sit like that, and that just kind of annoyed me. But at Walmart you can buy some magnets, and I put two here and two here. They just stick on, so now it stays there. So here, and that seems to work all right. So when it's not in use, you don't notice it, and it doesn't mess with anything. And to mount this thing, you pre-drill, the holes, and then you run the screws in, because the screws are not self-tapping. And then on this side, it's also just got, I think this side only has, this side's just got 2 bolts. But yeah, that's what I do, and it works good. Thanks for watching. Give me a like and subscribe, because I said so.